we take capacity in liters, not in kilograms. If you check the manuals provided by the manufacturer along with the compression machine, it always indicates the capacity in liters: 16 liter hopper, 22 liter hopper. Assalamu alaikum, I am Sajjad. So first of all, subscribe my channel. Our today topic is capacity calculation of compression machines hopper. As you know that it is the hopper of compression machine. Every one of you is familiar with the hoppers which are routinely used in compression machines. The purpose of hopper is to act as a storage medium for the powders and granules. We add powders or granules into the hopper, and from hopper our product is delivered to the dies after passing through the feeding system of the compression machines. In this video we will discuss how we can calculate the capacity of hoppers which are installed on the compression machines. So let's start our video. To calculate the capacity of compression machines hopper, first of all you must keep in mind that the capacity of hopper is always measured in liters. Mean we take capacity in liters, not in kilograms. Most of us, when talking about the capacity of hoppers, they usually use the term this hopper is for the 10 kg material, or we can add 8 kg product in our hopper. But it is the wrong practice, because hopper capacity is not taken in kilograms. Hopper capacity is always taken in the liters. If you check the manuals provided by the manufacturer along with the compression machine, it always indicates the capacity in liters. Mean you will see the written as 16 liter hopper, 22 liter hopper. It is for example. So how we will convert liters into kilograms, or how we will find out that what is the capacity of our hopper in liters and what is the capacity of our hopper in kilograms? If you have a manual of compression machine, you can easily check the capacity of hopper which will be described there in liters. And if you do not have manual, or if you want to verify the capacity of your hopper, let's follow the procedure which I will teach you in this video. So let's start our video. Suppose we have a hopper of B type compression machine and we want to calculate its capacity. We do not know how much volume this hopper has, so to determine the volume of this hopper, we will add water into this hopper. First of all, we will close the butterfly valve which is installed at the lower side of hopper. And if you have a hopper which do not have a butterfly valve, you can seal the lower bottom with a tape tightly, so when we add water there should be no leakage of the water. So take a measured quantity of water and add it into the hopper till its brimful value, or completely fill the hopper with water, and check the volume of water which is added into the hopper. Suppose that the water which we have added into hopper is 16 liters. So the first point regarding hopper capacity which is officially announced in liter is our hopper has capacity of 16 liters. But how we will measure the amount of product added into hopper in kilograms? Let's have a look on a very simple formula for which we will use the bulk density of that product. Suppose we have a product A and its bulk density is 0.5 gram per ml. So we have a product A having bulk density 0.5 gram per ml, and we have a product B having bulk density 0.75 gram per ml. Mean we have a product B with 0.75 gram per ml bulk density. In routine practice, usually we can say that this hopper is of 10 kg, mean we can add 10 kg of this product and 10 kg of this product, but it is wrong statement. How? I will prove it with the example. So as we previously determined that our hopper has the capacity of 16 liter, so let's calculate the capacity in kilogram first of all for product A. For this we will multiply bulk density of our product with the volume. For product A, 16 into 0.5, the answer will be 8 kilograms. Mean a product having bulk density of 0.5 gram per ml can be added in a hopper of 16 liter till 8 kilograms. Then for product B, 16 into 0.75, the answer will be 12 kg. Mean we can add 12 kg of product B into the same hopper. So now you can clearly understand the difference. We have same hopper, but we can add 8 kg of product A and 12 kgs of product B. Mean if our product is denser, we can add more amount of powder into the hopper, and if our product is lighter, it will be filled with less amount of the powder, although it has the same capacity of 16 liters. That is why we always use bulk density and volume of the hopper, and from these two factors we calculate the capacity of our compression machine hopper. In the same way, if you want to learn how the capacity of blender is measured, do watch the video. The link is given in description. You can also watch the video regarding capacity calculation of compression machine. And if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press subscribe button and share the video to the others. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.